What's going on, guys? Kurt here, guys. I wanted to make this quick video for you to give you a heads up that I'll be doing a review tomorrow of Ali and his team's new software called Cryptomatic360. Now, this is a futures predicting software that's going to make it 100 times easier and simpler for you to do your trading. Now, the software works with the crypto and Bitcoin markets. Works with precious metals, energy, forex, and more. So I'm going to have that review for you tomorrow. Now, if you're on my email list, make sure you watch your email for tomorrow for an email from me that says, it will say Cryptomatic360 review. That'll be the subject. And inside that, there'll be a link for you to access my review. Okay. Now, if you're not on my list and you happen to find this video on YouTube, for example, just click the link below. It'll take you to another page where you can actually access my review when it's ready. Right. And guys, of course, I'm also offering an awesome bonus package with this that you'll learn about when you go ahead and access my review when you get it tomorrow. In fact, this pro bonus I'm giving you is something I feel is going to help enhance your usage, enhance your results by using the Cryptomatic360 software. Okay, so guys, with that, is Kurt. Thanks for watching. Again, watch out for my email tomorrow for my review. And if you're not on my list, just click that link below, and you can access my review from there. Guys, okay. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you soon.